Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Battery section. After that, click on this switcher next to Performance mode. And as you can see, after that, higher performance is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!